Hello everyone. So I also got 3 mystery bags from FabFitFun that I will be showing you. I don't know which is going to go up first, the actual fall box or my add-ons. Put this stuff away here because I already filmed the actual box. But anyways, this is the first bag that I have. And compared to what I've been seeing other people get, I think the stuff that I have is pretty good. So the first thing here is this Seraphine Botanicals Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette. It's really pretty. Here's what it looks like. I'm not so sure about with it being a lip product also, but I'm guessing all of them are cream. Or maybe it's we'll see. Yep, they're all cream. So this is what it looks like. They are pretty. It's just, I don't do blush that much, and I probably wouldn't reach for this, so I'll probably either resell this or give it away. Not sure yet. So there's that. Then I am pulling out this Rock Your Hair Get a Lift Volumizing Spray for fine hair. Probably not going to use this because I don't really do anything to my hair. I don't even blow dry it. So, yeah, I might see if my mom wants this. She does her hair because she is a bartender and needs to look nice to get them tips. And then the last, nope, there's another thing in here. And then there is this Sunny Life picnic set. Trying to not tear this so I can see what it says. Okay, but picnic set, and includes 2 times cutlery sets, knife, spoon, fork, 2 times plates, compact carrying case. So this is cool. I don't think I've seen anyone get this so far. So I might keep this and go on a little picnic with my boyfriend, since there's not really anything else to do. And it's actually pretty nice silverware. Wasn't expecting actual metal. I was expecting hard plastic. Like the reusable plastic, but plastic. And then the plates are just plain white, but it is just for a picnic, so very neat. I actually really like this. I had no idea what it was when I saw it in the bag. But now that I know, I like it. And then the last thing that is in here looks like it's from Ish, which everyone's been getting. It is a Ish Lip Statement Single, and it is in Savage. Get my handy dandy little knife here. Hopefully don't stab myself. Okay. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to look like this, but this is what it looks like. It's odd. Oh, and it's like that. I'm probably not going to keep this because I can't even get my finger in there really well. So, yeah, but that's what it looks like. Yeah. So, there's that. So there's 2 things I'm not using from that, but I'm pretty impressed with the other 2 things. Well, that's 3 things I'm not using, actually. You know what? This mystery bag was kind of eh. I'm keeping 1 thing out, though. But anyways, this is the mystery bag number or whatnot. Keep that up there for you to see. And so again, I got the Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette from Seraphine Botanicals. The Ish Lip Statement Single thing in Savage. Then I got the Rock Your Hair Get a Lift Volumizing Spray for fine hair. And then I got the Sunny Life Picnic Set. So yeah, in hindsight, it was an but I can resell this stuff. And if the Seraphine Botanicals was powder, I probably would have used it for eyeshadow, but oh. Then here's my next mystery bag. It is much smaller. And the first thing I am pulling out is this Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream. Ultra Deep Technology. It looks like this. And my knife again. Keep closing it so the cats don't mess with it, because that would really suck, having them hurt themselves. And it looks like this. It's really interesting packaging. And just it smells like skincare. I'm not going to squeeze any out right now to actually smell it, but yeah, this is something I'll use. Can't talk right now, apparently. Okay. Then there is this Pure Lace Charcoal and Licorice Pore Refining Sheet Mask, moisturizing and purifying. It's like this. And let's see how many are in this. And I'll use these two. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them. And I have heard Pure Lace is pretty good. I haven't tried the little things that I got from the little minis I got in my Ipsy. And I also got a full-size cleanser in Allure. But also this next product is from Ish, and it's a lip liner, and it is in Classy. And this is what it looks like. Definitely seems to be a color that I will use. Let's swatch it. Yep, that is a color that I will definitely use. So far from this one, I'm going to be using everything. So that is cool. And this box is falling apart. Well, the bottom. It looks like it's seen a little bit of better days. But anyways, this is I don't know. It's Oat and Rosehip Hydration Balm. And it just seems to be a moisturizer, probably. I'm not going to open it yet. It has a cute little... yeah, I don't know how to pronounce this, but there it is. So I got this moisture balm thing, the Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream, which I don't know why they put like 2 face moisturizer things in here, or at least I think both of them are face moisturizers. But anyways, the Pure Lace face mask, 6 of them, and then the Ish lip liner. And this is what this one's mystery number thing is. Okay. Now the last mystery bag I have is here. First thing I'm pulling out is from Ish, and it is a bag. I think they call them train bag. I don't know. this. Or actually, I can untie it. Okay, so probably won't keep this. I don't use bags that much. It smells oh so lovely. But anyways, this is what it looks like. You can put your brushes up here and protect them. And that's what it looks like. Next thing I'm pulling out here is from Daily Concepts, and it is individuals who think in the shower, and it's a daily dual texture scrubber. It looks like. I'll use this, but it's not that exciting. And it has a thing where you can, it has a suction cup that you can stick it on the shower or not, but not it. That's what it looks like. Just scrubber through your body. Then the next thing I am pulling out is a hairbrush, I think? I'm not sure. Feels like one. Looks like one. Has this nice filling velvet-y one, and this is understated leather. Yeah, it's a brush. And the design on the back is really cute, the rose. Yeah, my hair is really a mess right now. I'll use it. It's not usually the kind of brush that I use. Well, yeah, I usually use the wet brushes. I mean, this is kind of like it, I think. I don't know. Anyways, the last thing I'm pulling out is this Revitalash Cosmetics Aqua Blur Hydrating Eye Gel and Primer. Let's see what this is. I can open it. Nice little packaging it has here. Interesting. Get this out if I can. Sheesh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this, yeah. So anyways, in the third mystery bag that I got, which I think is the most disappointing of them, I'd say my second one was the best, then the first one, and then this one. But anyways, the products that I got in the third one were the Revitalash Cosmetics Aqua Blur Hydrating Eye Gel and Primer, the hairbrush. I mean, having hairbrushes is handy. Then a scrubby, bath scrubber, and then the ish bag. Now, also I have some extra stuff that I didn't actually order. FabFitFun was having some issues with their add-ons. There's a glitch or something. I don't really know. It wasn't showing what I actually ordered, which also I'm going to come back in an edit because I forgot to bring down the other thing that I actually ordered myself, but it's a wireless phone charger. But anyways, they had stuff that I didn't order, but they charged me for the stuff that I did order. They didn't charge me for the stuff that I didn't order, but they sent it to me anyways. So that's cool. But this stuff I did not pay for. And this is the Anti-Aging Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Heard this is a really good product, so I'm excited to get this. I'm actually not sure if this is just because I You know what? This might be because I ordered a year and it said that I'd get a free mystery box with ordering a year. But they didn't put this in a bag, so I don't know if I'm actually getting a mystery box or not. From, like, separately. Because the only thing that was actually on saying that I picked it, but I didn't actually pick it, were these black cleanse and exfoliate charcoal wipes. And this other stuff in here, the 3 other things, they weren't in my cart saying that I picked them. So this just might be the little mystery box and they didn't put it in a bag. But anyways, Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And then I have this LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt Nourishing Balm to Oil. This is what it looks like. It has a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it. And then there is one more thing in here. And it is this Down for Peel foot mask. Here is what it looks like. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all have a great day.